How many of you have seen a deal unwind before? I'm gonna do it, and now I'm not gonna do it. You thought you had a deal, but you really don't. See, most of you in the room don't wanna make that phone call right now. Truth is, you're not making the call to people that don't buy, people that said they're gonna buy. You're not calling people that do buy. You don't call anybody. You guys, no offense, but you guys don't care, right? If I care about something, I'm gonna keep calling. I had a car dealer, an automobile dealer, call me the other day and said, tell your people to quit calling me. A car dealer. I'm like, hey man, I ain't gonna tell my people to quit calling you. Because of this call, I'm gonna tell them to call you more. It's crazy, man. Are you crazy? You're asking me to tell my people not to call you back. It's not even American. It's anti-business. So I agreed with him first. Hey, tell your guy Bonnet not to call back anymore. I'm with you. I agree with you. I understand you don't want him to call back, but it ain't gonna happen. You understand? I agree. You with me? I agree. Y'all with me? I agree, and then I move through the sale. Which means most of what he's telling me is made up. We're not buying today. If you're in business, you're buying something every day. How many of you call on businesses? The business owner that you're calling on is buying something every single day. Electricity, water, taxes, employees. We're not buying anything until the next quarter. Are you buying something every day, man? Every day you're buying something, right? Most of the things that you're being told are made up. They're myths. They're not true.